All right, welcome. This is like the last part of the review packet. This is 14 until the end. This is the extra sheet of paper. This is based on all of the textbook questions. I just all the good textbook questions that is related to the chapter 1 test. I put it right here, so you can just work on it. Okay. Here you're gonna classify each equation for port 14. You're gonna classify each equation on whether it has a solution of 4 or not. Okay. 4 goes into here on the left hand side, and not equal to 4 goes to the right hand side. Okay, so we got actually to solve each one. I didn't do step by step. I just showed you your solution. Okay, you should already know it by now. This is not a video. Do not look at this video for like a detailed explanation on how to solve. Watch the other videos. Watch the solve 1 step, 2 step, or multiple step. That has a clear explanation. Okay, here I'm just gonna give you the equation and the solution. Okay. There you go. Distribute the 4 minus the 8 divided by 4 and equals to 16. No, and that's not equal to 16. That is a mistake because 16 divided by 4 is 4. And a mistake there. Okay. The next one, distribute the 5. Add the 5 both. Distribute the 5. That's what you get. Remember, 5 times negative 3 is negative 15. Add 15 to both sides. Divide by 5. You get n equals to 32 over 5. Doesn't work. Next one, simple 2-step. Oops. Subtract 10 to both sides, then divide by 3. 12 over 3 does become 4. This one, 8 parentheses n minus 2. Distribute the 8. Add the 16 so it could cancel out. Okay, divide by 8 to both sides. You get 46 over 8. Doesn't work. Next one, simple 2-step. Add 5 to both sides, then divide by 2. N equals to n. N equals to 4, which works. Okay, so it should be okay. Good. So this one, the first one is n equals to 4. That works. The second one doesn't work. The third one does work because it does go into the n equals to 4 column. This one does not go into the n equals to 4 column, but this does go into the n plus 4 column. Okay. Part 15. Liz, Emma, and Caitlin all solved this problem, and it equals to 21, but they have different answers. Okay, who did it right? Let's look at Lizzie's work. She did 3 times n minus 2. That's her problem. So she divided by 2 first. The reason why she divided by 2 first is so she can cancel this out. This becomes a 7. Do you see how she's left with that? So that is what works. So that does work. Okay, that is what's left. You're going to add the 2. You're going to add the 2. Perfect. This one, what did she do here? She distributed. So 3 times x and 3 times 2 should be negative 6. That is wrong. You should be multiplying this. So that becomes a negative 6. I know some of you who do this all the time. Don't. Please understand it's a negative 2 here. Here, 3 times x and 3 times 2. Oh, what the? Oh, psh. I know what you guys did. Caitlin didn't distribute to the negative 2. You guys do that too. Okay? So Emma screwed up. Alright? So the only one that did it correct is what? Caitlin. Alright? So, sorry, Izzy, the first one. Izzy did it correct. Look. Okay, let me go back to the previous work. Right? Izzy's the only one that did it correctly. So Izzy's solution is correct. Emma's wrong. Caitlin is wrong. Okay? Emma's was wrong because she forgot to distribute the 3 into the negative 2. It should have been a negative 6. Caitlin messed up because she didn't even distribute that 3 into the second term. Okay, the negative 2 is the second term. Izzy's solution is incorrect. No, Izzy's solution is right. And Emma's solution is correct. No, Emma's solution is wrong. She didn't distribute and multiply the negative 2 with the 3. So that's wrong. Part 16. You're going to explain the student's work, then complete the statement. Okay, the student who solved the problem correctly is Zach, and the error Tyson made is that he did not divide by 4 to both sides of the equation. Notice right now it is what? Attached via multiplication. So you could either distribute or you can divide. He forgot to divide, you see? The 32 goes untouched. You cannot go from here to here. They got rid of the negative 4. Something has to happen to it. Tyson just ignored it, like how a lot of you just ignore things. You can't ignore the negative 4 in front. Part 17. All right, Jason solves this equation, and the steps are below. What's the first step? Did he do? Oh, he distributed it, the -3 into both terms right here. Look, that times that, and that times that. That's how he got the new value. So the first step was to distribute the 1/3. Next, it looks like he what? Added 1, because that is, you're trying to get the variable on one side and the numbers on the other side. So that is what? Adding 1 to both sides. Yep. Then lastly, the 2's in front via multiplication. So you're going to divide by 2. That gets you your answer of 6. So you're going to divide by 2 to the other side. All right, there you go. That's actually it. There were 17 parts. So there you go. That's all the solutions.